we have brought something fun tonight. So these are my Driftsane 180SX rear quarter louvers, inspired by the OG ones that I have on my 180. So there was 3 pairs of the originals made in the 90s for a D1 team. I ended up getting 1 pair. Hosotani Hiroto-san ended up getting a 2nd pair, and the 3rd pair went MIA. These are inspired by that original pair. So the original ones that I've got have these cut out, whereas my versions, I have filled them in because it adds strength for postage reasons predominantly, and it gives people the option whether they want to cut them or not. So these are in gel black coat, so these aren't painted or anything. These in particular can be used as panel replacements, so you can pull out your rear quarter glass, or if you have a track car, then they are a perfect replacement for glass if you, I don't know if you get a car without glass, or if you want to do a rear mounted radiator setup. These are perfect. You can either cut out the front of the vents so you have air intake, or you can cut out the back of the vents so you have kind of like a smoke exit if you like to bake a lot. They could also be used aesthetically, so what you'd have to do if you want to use them on top of glass, so you can stick them on top of glass, you just need to trim off this tiny little bit here, where we've added a bit extra, so these can go and fit perfectly flush underneath the rubber on the pre-existing OEM 180SX glass. So they can be used OEM or as a track spec kind of thing. These are my little badges that I've made for them. I should probably get one out to show you, shouldn't I? So Driftsane, never call us run 0001 of the 2022 batch. So Driftsane Louvers are now available. If you guys would like to custom order these, you can order them on the Driftsane Facebook page or group, or you can send me a message and I'll direct you in the right direction for these. Alright, so we are here at Archerfield tonight doing drift practice for beginners on the Tuesday nights. So everyone at the moment is unloading their cars, including in the distance there Kyle, built by Kyle, has rocked up with his new Plum. He didn't want me to call it something else. His new Plum MX5 drift car. So he's got that nice candy looking red one that you'll see around. It's a wide body, and then he's now got also a purple one that was blue for a little bit. And we got Odgers over here hanging out with Fink. So Odgers is competing in the high-tech drift series down in Sydney later in the week. So they're just done a bit of a shakeout of the 15, and Luke I think was doing a bit of a shakeout of the new JZ in his JZX90 just there. Don't mind me, I'm just gonna film you doing random shit.
That's cool. Everyone will know that I dropped all over the track, so.
No, you're fine. I didn't tell them. You just told them.
Yeah, at the beginner set like a real dick.
Looks good from 10 meters. Oh, you got a wind stiff? Dude, I should have expected it. Best mod ever?
Well, it's better than blowing up like $2,500 GDR discs. Why not invest now for the future and then wait for the tracks to close?
Yep. You said it. That's sick. Whoa, let's have a look. Ooh, that's pretty. Rusty on tuner mode. I like how you still kept this so clean, Ben. Very pretty. No pressure, no pressure. I apologize if we get a little bit of wind noise tonight. I lost my little fluffy thing that goes on top of the camera, so. Carl's having a blast here. Look at the exhaust. What's happened, Mr. Drifter?
Hey, what?
I said, what happened?
What happened?
Yeah. Back roundabout. 180.
Too high?
Nice. Look, I'm loving the commitment. I'm loving the commitment. It is great.
Look, do you want my little bungee entry?
I want to see you do the bungee entry, yeah.
I did the bungee entry last time.
Oh, you know, sorry, I didn't see that one. I want to see you do the counterclockwise onto the bank.
I'll try.
Alright, I'll film.
Right. Okay.
Carl's gonna do the... There we go. Now go around. All the way around, Carl. Go! Okay, well, look. Close. Close. Right. Chaser. So it's not called a chaser, it's called a Mark II. My bad. I think it's a chaser. It's a JZX100. Yeah, we have quite a lot of people out tonight drifting, which is great. Alright, I took Ben's car drifting. I didn't film it. We literally just packed up the track. It went 9 o'clock, so I can't show you guys the drifting, but it was fun. I got to hang out with Kyle. We went drifting his MX5. I got to hang out with a new friend who got to drift his JZX100 Black Chaser. That thing was beautiful. Feels like a slinky-esque chassis. I'm gonna say that. It feels great and responsive, and the handbrake works. And it's got plenty of torque, and the JZ's great. But it's so long. I feel like I'm sitting on the front wheels, but I suppose I've come from a 240Z where I'm always sitting on the back wheels. So very, very interesting. There were some Beamers here tonight. There were some Falcons. I got to help a 14-year-old kid learn how to drift, and that guy is going to be a little weapon by the time he's 16. Couple of upgrades to his car if he gets his 350 horsepower S13 going, and the guy's going to be out here shredding. It's going to be awesome. And we come home to some exciting news. My alternator has rocked up for the mirror. Supposedly alternators for my car are pretty rare and hard to find when you don't live in Japan or Malaysia. It's so cute. Alright. Ooh, pretty. We have a brand new aftermarket alternator that is the size of my hand for the mirror. Oh, that looks nice. Makes me want to like clean up my engine bay, make the motor look nice and shiny too. Well, this is the last piece of the puzzle of getting the mirror back up and running at least. Oh, I can't wait to drive the mirror. I've got to get out of this fluoro, it's too bright. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, tag the thumbs up. If you didn't, then hopefully you'll enjoy the next one. Enjoy, have fun.